Hello DU aspirants. As you know that the University of Delhi has begun the application process for the undergraduate programs. Here at Careers360 we will help you with the procedure. Before we begin with the DU undergraduate 2018 application process, kindly note that the following documents at hand. You will need a valid email ID, a working mobile number, class 10th and class 12th mark sheets, and the card details of debit card, credit card and net banking. Here we go. To apply for DU Undergraduate Courses 2018, first go to Google and type Delhi University Application Form 2018. Click on UG Admissions, University of Delhi tab. This is how the page will appear. Click here for Undergraduate Admission Portal 2018-19. This page appears. Hit click here button. Now you need to register first. Click on the new registration button. Enter your name and email ID. Confirm your email ID by typing it again. Enter the security question and the answer. Set your password and confirm it. Now enter your mobile number and finally enter the CAPTCHA code. Confirm your details and hit register button. You are done with the registration part. Congratulations! Your registration number appears on the screen. Confirm your details and hit click here to save this information for future reference button. Now take a printout of your login details and keep it for your future references. You can now sign in for filling up your DU application form. Read the information provided on the page. These are important. Now enter your email ID, password and CAPTCHA code. Click on I have read the important information checkbox and click on login button. Your dashboard will appear on the screen. You can also apply into the minority colleges, St. Stephen's and Jesus and Mary College by using the assigned form number, email ID and paying the registration fee applicable. Read the declaration and again click on I have read the important information and hit continue. Your application form is appearing on the screen. Enter your name, gender, date of birth, Aadhaar card number, which however is not compulsory, email ID, mobile number, minorities and your category. Now you will have to fill your family details. Enter your mother's name and whether you are a citizen of India. This information is compulsory. You can also enter your mother's name, occupation, office, address and her mobile number. Your father's name, occupation and office address and an alternate mobile number. The email ID if you have any of your parents. Select if any category or quota is applicable like Kashmiri migrant, children or widows of armed forces personnel, PWD or ward quota. Enter your correspondence and permanent address. Now enter your bank details, name of the account holder, account number, confirm the account number, name of the bank and IFSC code. Now click on submit button. Now you have to enter your academic details. Enter your board of education, year of passing, result status, class 12th board number and up to which class you have studied Hindi language. Enter the subjects you appeared. Make sure that the information you entered is correct. Now click on I agree that the marks entered above are as per my class 12th mark sheet. Checkbox. Click submit button. Now you will be asked whether you wish to apply under merit based course or the entrance based course. Whichever is possible, just click on the checkbox. You can apply to as many courses as possible. Now click on submit button. Select if you are applying under the sports quota, click submit. Select whether you are applying under co-curricular activities quota, click submit. Now you will have to upload the images. Make sure that the files are in the JPG or JPEG format only. Your photo and signature file must be between 20 KB and 50 KB and your 12th and 10th board mark sheets must be between 75 KB to 150 KB. Click on next button. Preview of your application form would appear on the screen. Candidates should note that all the details should be filled carefully as no changes can be made after this step. Once you have checked the click declaration and hit the print application form, no changes can be made. Keep the printout for future reference. In the final step, the payment video will appear on the screen. Select your payment mode and pay the application fee. click on Submit button. Take a printout of the payment receipt. Congratulations, your application process is complete. Now that you have filled the form, please note that for all further DU 2018 admission queries, you will need your DU UG 2018 application or registration number. Further, don't disclose your DU 2018 user ID and password, as these are the login details to check your cutoff score and other admission formalities. The DU UG 2018 application form for both the modes, merit and entrance, can be made through the same portal. If you are a CBSE board student, you will only need to enter your class 12 roll number, after which the marks will be automatically fetched by the online application portal. Also note that you can only edit the application field details till the time you have remitted your application fee. No changes can be made in the DU 2018 application form once you have paid the fees. Further, more than one application registration number with the same email ID and mobile number can be summarily rejected. All the best.
Like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for staying updated regarding AIIMS MBBS, NEET UG and other entrance exams. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and on our website www.careers360.com.